Hey guys, Cash here with PICO Builders. We're out here in Wichita, Kansas, working on our latest LP SmartSide Expert Finish project. The guys are out here rocking and rolling. We're gonna bring you along and show you what we got going. What we got Heath doing here is he's touching up this rip. So we cut a rip down this board. Anytime we make a cut, we come back with the LP SmartSide touch-up kit, and then you're ready to rock and roll. You're ready to hang your piece. You're good to go. Let's head into the backyard and let's see him install some of this stuff. This LP SmartSide Expert Finish comes in 16 different colors. Like I kind of mentioned before, you don't have to paint it. It comes pre-painted. Really tough product to beat. It's the best around. Thanks for coming and hanging out with us today. And just remember, for any of your home exterior needs, choose PICO.